Scheduling the sending of emails is incredibly straightforward to do, but most people don't realise the option is right there, even though you've been so close to pressing it so many times. When you're writing an email, all you need to do is come up with the normal email, and then when you go down to press send, you click on the little arrow next to it and choose send later. When you click send later, you can choose the time, you can customize it, so you can choose literally when they would show up, so typically a certain date and a certain time. And most common ones are in the morning. So if somebody's, say, higher up in a business and you're working at the weekend, you might choose to do all your emails, get them all scheduled to send, but actually send them on the Monday morning because of work-life balance for all of your employees. You might not want to overload them over the weekend with their phones pinging. At the same time, you might choose Monday morning, hitting them with loads of emails straight away after their weekend isn't right. Scheduling emails allows you to continue with your work whenever best suits you, but then you can choose what impact it has on those you work with. I use this quite a lot because I've got young kids, which might lead to me working later in the evenings, but sometimes I have to get home earlier, help put them to bed and things like that when lots of other people might be doing their work. So you use this however it is best for you, and you can either choose obvious ones or you can customize the time to send.